Ladies and gentlemen, hello and welcome to our new YouTube video. So yesterday we have posted a video where we have done analysis for Ethereum and Bitcoin, and it looks like Ethereum has followed our prediction by following the second scenario, which is bottoming around the support of $2,000. We have currently went for over 5 to 6% move over here on unleveraged. Same thing goes to BTC USDT. If you see on our previous YouTube video that we have provided yesterday for you, over here we have followed our prediction. So it has followed our prediction by going for a continuation to the downside. We have went for over 6% move unleveraged. So right now we are expecting to go a little bit sideways before we retest the level of base support around the price of $80,000, which is also psychological level of support. So we should be going down over here for a retest. Moving on to XRP SDT, we are going to do some analysis on the daily time frame. We are currently forming head and shoulders pattern. So let's open another chart because I don't want to delete the history, the previous history. So as you can totally see over here on XRP, we have went for a large pump, but the thing is we are currently forming the famous pattern, which is called head and shoulders pattern. So the head and shoulders pattern is very popular and it is accurate, mostly when you draw a clean head and shoulders like this one. It's very obvious. We have the level of support around the price of $2, which is also a psychological level of support. That's why it wasn't easy to break over here. We have formed the first right shoulder, as you can see over here, but it wasn't easy to break from below, so we went for a pump, and luckily we didn't break from above of the resistance. So we just filled some liquidity over here around the point of interest and around this horizontal level of resistance, as you could totally see over here, which is also a 0.618 Fibonacci retracement. So we just went and grabbed liquidity from here on the second retest, which should be enough to help us breaking from below of the neckline. So what we could be expecting from XRP is seeing a continuation to the downside from here, but the thing is this is going to be more bearish if we instantly go to the downside, because this is a rally dump pattern. So a rally dump pattern, this is the base of rally dump, so we might go for another retest around the price of 2.86 before we see a continuation to the downside. So we could live limit order over here for short in XRP around the price of, let's even use the price 2.72. Stop loss would be around 12%. We could use small leverage, and we could rely on the daily time frame over here for a moment. So yeah, we have this rally dump scenario confirming our short positions from here. So we will short the retest in case we are going to retest the base of the rally dump scenario. And our TPs are going to be huge. The first stop loss is going to be around 40% minus, 14% minus. So it's not that big much of a deal. Meanwhile, our first TP should be huge. It should be around, hold on, 2.31. So this is more than 1.1 risk reward ratio. So this is a very good position over here we currently could be having, except that the second target should be around the price of $2, which is psychological level of support. So if we check from the entry, the first target should be 15%, the second target should be 27%, and the third target should be way larger. It could be 47%, but this is unleveraged, so we are going to use X5 leverage. So we could have more profits using the X5 leverage, and the stop loss is going to be 50%, and the first target should be around 65 up to 75% profits. Could be expecting to see multiple 2 or multiple 3 from this trade. Honestly, it wouldn't be that hard. So we could be expecting to see profits from here, from this trade. I will post this signal in the Telegram channel. Moving on forward to USDT dominance. We have already made a prediction for you guys of USDT dominance. We have formed double bottom pattern. We have predicted this up move and told you that if USDT dominance, the way USDT dominance work, it's the opposite of the market. So if USDT dominance goes to the upside, the market crashes, and if USDT dominance is bearish, the market is bullish. So when I posted on Telegram, I told you that we have broken from above of the neckline and horizontal level of resistance. It used to be resistance. I told you that we have broken from above of it, and we have predicted that there would be a continuation to the upside after breaking from above of the double bottom pattern neckline. So we have predicted the market crash from this scenario, and we are currently we have went for a retest on this resistance. That's why we have rejected off of it. It's very strong level of resistance, so that's why the market reversed a little bit to the upside, except that right now we still are below of this resistance. Even if we give it a retest, there could be another chance of going back to the downside, because even on the USDT dominance we have formed the dump rally scenario. If you could totally see this dump rally scenario below the resistance, it confirms that there could be a good chance that we will go more bearish on the market, because this dump rally scenario will help you, it will help us filling more longs from here, which would be very strong in order to break from above of the resistance. So I'm expecting to see tons of demand around this price, which is the total opposite for the crypto market. So we might be expecting a larger crash on the crypto market. We could be expecting reversal to the downside on USD dominance from here. So the market will go long a little bit, the crypto market will go long a little bit, and it will go long from here. So soon the market will go long. Let's zoom in the 4 hours time frame. So the market will go long soon. Close to this price the market will go long, but it will only go long for a little bit, and after that we will crash again. We will see another crash, because as you can totally see over here, the USD dominance, we are currently retesting this base of this rally dump scenario, which will take us to the downside. But if we reverse from here, from the dump rally scenario, it would be enough for us to be breaking from above of this strong resistance of USD dominance, which would cause a larger crash on the crypto market. So let's see Bitcoin for a second over here, because we should notice the very same pattern the opposite way. So as you could totally see, we have went for a rally dump scenario, and if we zoom in the 4 hours time frame, we could notice that over here we have formed a dump rally scenario. So this is the base of the dump rally scenario, where we are heading for our first longs on Bitcoin, and this is the rally dump scenario over here. So it's the opposite. This indicates that the market is going sideways for a little bit, so we could be expecting to see a retest over here, which would take us to the upside again. We could fill this and then crash below the previous lowest low, heading to the next very strong level of support, which is around $70,000. So what I see is that there could be a good chance for Bitcoin to be retesting $70,000, and it's very logical because we have broken from below of the double top pattern over here. As you can totally see, this is the neckline, this is the breakout, and this is the retest. So we should be expecting the market to be going downwards until we at least retest a very strong midterm level of support like the $70,000. So that's it for now. We will keep you updated on the Telegram channel. Feel free to let me know if you have any kind of question. Feel free to DM me privately and I will be there for you. Have a good day.